happy first day of spring.
Remember yesterday when I was like, the windows are open, the kids are playing outside barefoot. It was beautiful.
Yeah, it's snowing.
That's gone.
Like, not even like a soft snow. It's like really hard
It's
snowing.
dumping. The snowflakes are big.
Yeah, and it's all sticking. I thought like, oh, it might snow, but it'll be gone by the end of the day.
Nope.
It's not looking like it, man.
No.
Woo!
So we are celebrating the first day of spring in a giant snowstorm, but you guys, it's beautiful. Coda had a birthday party this morning. But you guys, even though it's crappy weather outside, we have been able to get so much done inside our home, and it's been awesome. I made a checklist early this morning of things I wanted to accomplish today. Cleaned out the oven, did a bunch of things like that. I did put dinner in the crock pot that we're actually not going to eat.
Is this salsa chicken?
No, it's teriyaki chicken. I put some teriyaki chicken in the crock pot this morning, but my parents have actually invited us over for dinner. So we just bathed all the kiddos. We're getting all bundled in our sweats and snow boots, pulling the snow boots out again.
Just shovel the driveway a little bit. It's coming down.
Oh my gosh, still. It's not slowing down.
I shovel and then like it gets filled up in like 10 seconds.
Oh my heck. But you guys, I also managed to get clothes laid out for the kiddos for church in the morning. 9 a.m. church always is real hard when you have 5 kiddos. I don't know why.
It's true.
Because I'm like, I have all of the kids to school by 9 a.m. Well, the 4 older ones on Thursday, Friday. But I'm not fully ready.
It's the finding church clothes that I think is the problem. Like,
oh,
I need a tie. I don't have a shirt. I don't have
their
shoes.
shirt's dirty in the bottom of the laundry basket. Or socks and church shoes. For some reason, we can always only find 1 church shoe. So I made it a goal of mine today to get all of the kids' Sunday clothes laid out so that the morning will be smoother. And sis,
Ken's wearing slippers on her hands.
she's wearing slippers on her hands, unicorn boots on her feet. Sis, why are you taking your slippers?
I'm banana.
You just want to wear them when we get there?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
My slippers.
Okay. What? Okay. But the whole point of that was to say that we did a lot today that we didn't vlog. Cody cleaned out all of his clothes.
I got a lot of old clothes. Gotta get rid of a bunch.
He took like a big Tupperware like bin in to clean out his closet. I'm like, wait, what are we doing? Because like if you're getting rid of clothes, why are we putting them in one of my nice like storage bins?
Because there's clothes that I want to save, but I don't fit in anymore stuff. You know, like old soccer jerseys, shirts and stuff. Like I could just store those downstairs. It'll be fine.
Yeah, so he's been cleaning out the closet. Our kids are pulling faces back there.
Dad gave me his old soccer shorts and it has his number on them.
He did? That's cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, they're cool.
That's awesome. Cars, how's your day been, dude?
Good.
You've been chilling, huh? You've had a chill day, dude.
Not me.
So this is what Cody just shoveled. Yeah, it's really coming down. Complete whiteout. Look at his car. Happy first day of spring.
We can't even.
Well, we just left our driveway and we're thinking we might not be able to even make it up to my parents' house.
Our driveway.
We might need to go do some donuts though.
No.
Our driveway.
Honey, we gotta go get veggie trays.
We got donuts. Woo!
Yeah, do them in front of the cop's house. That's always a smart plan. Holy Toledo Bolito. Woo! Everyone's buckled, right?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Oh yeah, look at that donut.
Oh my. You guys look at our tracks.
Woohoo!
Did you have fun, babe?
It's hard to do donuts in front
Big
wheel.
donut.
Yeah, in a van that's
In a
really
van.
long.
Big donut.
But for real, we might not make it to the cabin.
They almost just fell off the cliff next to us. They're like 90.
Get it, rip it.
120.
Okay guys, we're about to turn onto Nana and Papa Street. As you can see, the roads are terrible. They have not been plowed. So here comes the true test. Are we going to be able to make it up their road? What do you think, babe? Prediction?
No.
I have little faith in these tires.
I know these tires are not
Okay,
great.
here we come. Jump it off.
Stay in this tracks.
I think I
Oh. Can turn.
Oh,
Oh, it might be dirt.
it's so pretty though.
Dirt is a little more grippy than...
Oh yeah, hey, there's still dirt. Okay guys, because there's still some dirt to like get some traction on, we good.
Boost it right here.
Oh yeah, boost it.
Boost!
Oh my lantern.
We made it.
There's the
Traction
cabin.
control!
Oh boy, oh boy,
Oh, we don't
boy. Oh my goodness. We made it!
Skirt!
Be of little faith, babe.
I knew we could do it.
No, you didn't.
Dude, you didn't get the memo. It's snowing, man.
Yeah.
This is a lot.
Canyon, we can build a snow.
Come on, snowshoes. Shoe hands, snow face.
Hey, Canyon, we can build a snow.
Hey! Stop it! In the house. In the house. Boom. Gotcha. Oh, hey, Maddie.
Hey. Okay, everything. What's happening?
Ooh, got Coco some new church shoes. Thank you, Nana, for picking them
Yes. Did you get the Venmo?
I haven't even looked
up.
probably.
Ooh, snazzy.
Why are your feet getting so big?
You're like an old man. Ooh,
They're
looking
tiny bit
good,
big, but he's-
especially in the shorts.
Oh yeah.
We got a garden happening over here. Radishes are coming in hot.
Got some cold cut sandwiches. Is it good, guys?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hi, pizza. You got a drink. Awesome.
Guess what?
What?
Nana have pears.
Yep, Nana's growing some stuff, huh?
Yeah, and there's blue on it, so we're gonna eat.
Holy cow. You got a drink too? I love it. Wow.
So are you eating your ice cream cone with a dinosaur? You're a silly goose.
Watch this. Hey, Karina.
Pictures?
Hey, Karina.
She's like, I'm eating it now. Gotta love a good ice cream cone. Huh, Cars? Oh, good.
Hey, these roads are much better now.
Yeah. Oh! Why'd you move this down and then hold it up higher?
Don't tell me my business.
We have a tripod and she pulled it out and then held it up close to it. Like, what's the point of that?
I'm getting to my point. I'm tired. Are you tired?
I'm way tired.
It feels like it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon though, and it's 7 p.m.
Why are we so tired?
Why? Hi, Pep. Daylight savings always messes with us. Guys, he doesn't do this until we pick up the camera.
He wants to be
And
on
then-
film here.
D. McGee messaged me and was like, Pepper just wants his own YouTube channel.
You want your own YouTube channel? Yeah.
His nails are sharp when you get them cut. Okay, hang on.
Okay.
Oh, are you dancing with Dad? But hey, at least we got some stuff done this morning. And I feel like it's been equal parts chill too. A little bit. I mean, it's been kind of busy, but oh, hi.
Hi
Who are you?
there. I don't know.
Are you Zorro?
Sure.
That goes good with your hair.
Yeah.
You guys, Coda has
like
the
it?
funniest personality. I love it. Did you make that at the birthday party?
I painted it.
So cool.
I painted it like this red maroon color, and then I splattered red paint on it.
Very cool. I love it.
Thanks, and I chose this ribbon.
Nice, dude.
Nice, too.
He was.
Not doing anything.
And now it's like WrestleMania, Spider-Man, superhero showdown.
We're luchadors.
Oh, luchadors. Okay. Oh, he smacked himself in the match.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Tiny, you're the best human. And Ken is learning how to do the yo-yo, huh? Okay, we're watching. Ooh, whoa.
This is my trick.
Madhouse craziness.
We're going this way. Yeah.
Well guys, we had such a fun evening. Our kids are kind of crazy. They had such fun just making up all these wrestling moves and everything, but it's been such a great day. It was so nice just to hang out. And what was up with that? It snowed like 6 inches today. Super crazy. But thanks so much for watching, guys. We love you, and we'll see you tomorrow. What are you doing?